In this video, I'll be showing you how to install and set up Google Chrome on Arch Linux. Chrome is one of the most widely used browsers and offers excellent performance, sync features, and compatibility with modern websites. Before we get started, if you want a more secure and private browsing experience on Arch Linux, I've included a NordVPN link in the description with a special discounted offer. NordVPN is one of the best VPNs on the market and works great on Linux, helping keep your online activity private and protected. To begin, open up your web browser and head over to the official Google Chrome website. Since Chrome is not included in the default Arch Linux repositories, it's provided through the Arch User Repository, also known as the AUR. From the website, you'll see that Chrome is officially supported for Arch-based distributions. First, open up your terminal. To get Google Chrome on Arch Linux, you'll need to use an AUR package since Google only provides a 64-bit Debian package. That's where Yay comes in. It makes installing packages from the AUR really simple. Once Yay is ready, all you need to do is open your terminal and type the command to install Google Chrome. Then follow the prompts. It will ask for your password, confirm the installation, and start downloading the package. Yay will handle everything, including building and installing Chrome. Once the installation is complete, you can open Google Chrome from your application menu. Just click on Show Apps, search for Chrome, and open it. The first time you launch it, you might see a welcome screen or a prompt, so click OK and you're ready to go. And that's it. Google Chrome is now fully installed and ready to use on your Arch Linux system. If you want a more private and secure browsing experience while using Chrome on Arch Linux, I also recommend checking out NordVPN. I've included a link in the description with a special discounted offer. NordVPN is fast, secure, and works great on Linux, so it's a perfect companion for your browser. It also comes with a 30-day, no questions asked, money-back guarantee, so there's zero risk in trying it out.